తమిళనాడులో తెలుగు పారిశ్రామికవేత్తల సమావేశంలో ఏపీలో పెట్టుబడులు పెట్టాలని కోరిన నారా లోకేష్ గతంలో తమ ప్రభుత్వం ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ కంపెనీలు ఎలా తెచ్చింది వివరించారు లోకేష్.
They always had the edge thanks to Nokia. But then Andhra government fought and then we were able to attract a lot of investments, and this was because we very feared the government was sleeping. So it's very, very important to have that kind of visionary leadership to fight for every investment, because now every state is fighting. Looking at competition coming from Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, looking competition coming even from states like Orissa. And it's a matter of time that Bihar will also start attracting investments. We're looking at how law and order has been set right in UP. The kind of investments UP is also attracting. So you need young, strong leadership, visionary leadership that can work hard and bring about investments into the state of Tamil Nadu and also for Coimbatore. So Coimbatore 2.0 can only be delivered by an operating system called Annamalai. It's a tough seat. It's a tough.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.